When I started setting up my shop, I neither had a workbench nor a welding table. There was just an old trusty lathe I had no idea to work with. I had no equipment and even less skill. I barely knew what I was doing. However, I felt a strong desire to do things and set my dreams into existence. In my former life, I worked as a teacher in an elementary school. Even though this is a noble profession, I never felt quite right in school. I simply couldn't make it fit for me. There was this urge to move on. Over 4 years now, my shop grew to a reasonable size. With time came knowledge. The internet provided me with some of the best teachers I could even imagine. With time came small orders and contracts. They slowly grew in size, and finally I had to decide what profession I'm going to follow into the future. My own future.